What's up, everybody? Larissa Shanti here, and we've made it to day 7 of the 12 Days of Breathing Through the Holidays series. Today, we are going to be focusing on Chandra Bhedana, which is also known as moon-piercing breath. This practice is really good for stimulating your parasympathetic, and it works with the Ida Nadi, which is thought to be the more yin, more calming, more nurturing energy in the body. So this one can be really good to do if you're on your period or you feel like you just need to withdraw a little bit into yourself and kind of nurture yourself and give yourself a little bit more self-love. So this one is very similar to alternate nostril breathing. So if you've seen videos like that, it's going to look similar, but it's a bit different. So I always like to use a pillow and a block to place in the lap, and then I bring my arm on top, and this just gives my shoulder a little bit more support. So this is really good if you have any kind of shoulder injury as well. And then you can use your pointer and middle finger to place either on your third eye or just bring it into your palm like so. You're going to use your thumb to close the right nostril and your ring finger to close the left. If the ring finger feels a little difficult to do, you can also just use the pinky to do it. All right, so let's get started. And we're going to start with our right nostril closed. So close the right nostril with your thumb. And then you can just close the eyes. Start to take a steady inhale through the left nostril. And closing the left. And then exhale through the right. Close the right. Then inhale through the left again. Close the left. Exhaling through the right. Close. Inhaling through the left. Close, exhaling through the right. So we're constantly inhaling through the left. And exhaling through our right. Keep it going like this for a few more rounds. Focusing on keeping the length of the inhales and exhales even. And we like to go for about 4 to 5 seconds per inhale and exhale. And then finishing up your round with an inhale through the left. And then an exhale through the right. Keeping eyes closed, you can set the arm down. Just taking a moment to observe, breathing evenly through both nostrils. Checking in with the heartbeat. Noticing any vibration, energy in the soles of the feet or the hands. And then you can blink those eyes back open, nice and slow. So I hope you feel a little bit more nourished, a little bit more revitalized. I definitely feel a little bit calmer. If you liked this one, you might also like the Chandra Bhedana, the solar piercing breath. So you can check that video out. If you did feel like you got some value from this, a like and a subscribe is always very much appreciated. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time.